Understanding, lend me your ears, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy for you. Today, we have a special episode on a very interesting phrase, lend me your ears. This idiom might sound a bit odd at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, lend me your ears, is an idiom that means, listen to me very carefully. It's a way of asking for someone's undivided attention, emphasizing the importance of what is about to be said. Despite the literal words suggesting borrowing someone's ears, it figuratively means to just pay close attention. This phrase has been used for centuries and continues to be popular in speeches, presentations, and any situation where someone wants to grab an audience's attention. Interestingly, lend me your ears comes from a famous speech in William Shakespeare's play, Julius Caesar. In this play, Mark Antony uses the phrase to quiet the crowd and draw attention to his speech about Caesar's death. Because of its dramatic origin and effective use in the play, the phrase has been adopted into the English language as a common idiom. It's a perfect example of how literature can influence everyday language. Using lend me your ears in modern conversation can add a dramatic flair to your request for attention. It's most appropriate in formal or semi-formal settings, such as giving a speech, making an announcement, or starting a presentation. For example, you might say, before we begin, I'd like to ask everyone to lend me their ears for a moment. It signals to your audience that you have something important to say and that their full attention is required. There are other ways to ask for someone's attention that are less formal or dramatic. Phrases like, please listen carefully, I need your full attention, or, hear me out, serve similar purposes but can be used in more casual situations. Each phrase has its own tone and level of formality, so choosing the right one depends on your audience and the setting. Thank you for lending me your ears today. I hope this explanation has shed some light on the interesting idiom, lend me your ears, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to our language, making it more expressive and vibrant. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use idioms to make your English sound more natural and fluent. See you in our next video.